Hi there guys and girls, good evening. Take a look, there's a salagubang. This is what we call salagubang here in the Philippines. And this is harmless. I'm gonna transfer this to the plants before you will crack by people walking. Okay guys and girls, salagubang is also a type of a bug, like a bee rather. So where can I put you for safer, in a safer place? Okay, so bye for now before you will crack by the people walking. Okay, stay in there guys, save a kind of insect like this, a bug, a bee. Bye for now. Are you safe in there, huh? Are you sure? Bye for now. Take care, baby bug, salagubang.